Another day, another Shelby. Let's check it out. Hi. Today we're unboxing a 2007 Shelby GT500. The scale is 1/18. The manufacturer is Shelby Collectibles. The model is based on the 40th anniversary edition Shelby, something we'll talk about in a bit. And the part number is DC 0750010. Let's dig in. I got this one off eBay in the summer of 2022 for a half decent price, but I think these are kinda rare now. And by these, I mean the signed edition GT500s in Grabber Orange. The 40th anniversary edition is a special version of the second generation Shelby GT500, and it came out in 2007. This upgrade package included distinct visual elements such as carbon fiber lower front fascia splitter, front and rear brake duct kits, and sequential tail lights. While on the performance side, an upgraded suspension and the Shelby signature Borla exhaust system were installed as well. Call me crazy, but I don't think the front wheels should turn in opposite directions. Oh well, we'll fix them later, I guess. Here's a couple of stock Shelby GT500 from the same generation. Under the hood of this 40th anniversary, you'll find the same 5.4-liter supercharged V8 engine from the stock 2007 GT500, and it's fairly detailed in this model. Big engines are of course one of the main features in the Shelby Mustangs, with their high output and impressive torque. Everyone loves factory supercharged cars. And the trunk can be opened as well. The interior is decent looking, but I kinda wish it was in grey rather than black, because it would have been easier to see the add-ons in this 40th anniversary edition, as opposed to the stock GT500. These add-ons included a special Mustang consecutively numbered dash plaque, 40th anniversary armrest cover, and 40th anniversary Shelby door sill plates with consecutive numbers. I'm not sure if the two-tone seats are stock or not, but they look nice. It's lovely to see Mr. Shelby's signature on the model, even if it's not his literal hand signature, rather a printed one, but it's still cool. I did fix the messy suspension after I took this video, and luckily I only received damaged diecast once in a blue moon. So there is a chance the moon might have indeed been blue on that evening. Or maybe not. I think the small things in this model work, like this SVT license plate in the back, which isn't small, and the snake in the front, which isn't small either. The big grills are also some of the small things I like, along with the not so small racing stripes. This isn't the most sophisticated diecast model, but it's definitely one for the collection. And that's that.